How to post on Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can post on Reddit. For that, open any browser and at the address bar, type reddit.com, then press enter to browse it. Make sure you are logged into your Reddit account. After logging in, you will reach this interface where at the top right, you will find various icons. Click on this Create icon, and you'll be able to create a post here. Once you reach this page, you can add a title to your post, and in this box, you can add various text that you want to include. You can also select it and make it bold, italics, and customize it as per your choice. You can also add an image or video for your post. After you are ready to post it, you'll see this post button in a blue background. Right now, it is invisible. Here, you can also click on this Choose a Community circle and select a community. Then you will see the post option has become visible. Now, click on this post, and then you have successfully created a post on Reddit. So, in this way, you can create a post on Reddit. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.